Well, here we go again. If you've seen the last video, you knew that I designed one similar to this. I only had 2 springs. This one's got 4 on it. Same size springs. The back of the cannon I've thickened up quite a bit, added more plastic behind it as well. We will be shooting at corn today. And instead of 3 firecracker charges, I decided to be a little bit more conservative and went with 2. So, set you up over here, put you up real nice and close to the camera, put you on slow-mo, run around the tree after I light it, and hopefully we get a nice little bang. Wish me luck. And it stayed together. Woo! No explosion, no big boom. No destruction of my new cannon. Yeah. Destroyed the target. Hopefully it made for a good slow-mo. Here in a little while, not in this video. I'll try it with 3 firecracker charges. That might have been a little underwhelming. I don't know. Anyways, hope you all have a great day, YouTube.